It's a perfect New Year's gift for you. It's a new construction property that is really close to Sugarloaf Parkway and Interstate 85 in Dacula. Less than $420,000 with all of the incentives. Stay tuned because this could be one of the best options for you. Hello, and welcome to a new video. My name is Kevin Fleetwood, and along with my partner Stephanie Fleetwood, we help people that are looking to move to Atlanta, Georgia, or one of its metro areas. Whether you're moving in 8 days or 180 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Atlanta, Georgia, or one of its suburbs. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. It's called the Galen plan by DR Horton. It is 2,415 square feet, and it is located in Dacula, Georgia. Dacula is a city in Gwinnett County, Georgia, located approximately 37 miles or 60 kilometers northeast of Atlanta. The distance between Atlanta Airport and Dacula is 40 miles. The road distance is 47 miles, so if you're driving to the airport and you want to give yourself an hour to get there, the best way to get to the airport from Dacula without a car is to bus and to subway, which takes about 2 hours, 24 minutes on the average and costs anywhere from $4 to $7. Now, if you want to head to Athens, Georgia from Dacula, that's about 37-minute drive. For large shopping malls, you can get to the Mall of Georgia in 19 minutes or Sugarloaf Mills in 20 minutes. In terms of accessibility, we are just 1.3 miles or 2 minutes to Sugarloaf Parkway and 2.6 miles or 4 minutes to Georgia 316. As far as shopping and dining, there's the Dacula Market Shopping Center and the Dacula Village Shopping Center, both within 10 minutes of the community, where you can find the Kroger Plaza or public supermarket. Also, it's just a 10-minute drive to the emergency room at Northside Hospital, or just an 8-minute drive to the Dacula Medical Center. So let's get right to it and tour this 4-bedroom home. And hey, if you get any value from this video, please smash the like button. It does help us with the channel. One of the cool features of this home is that the builder installed throughout low E3 windows. And it's a really good product to help save you some money. The significance of this is it's a glass window, nice and clear. It has 3 panes of glass, thus the low E3. And between each pane, there's a very thin film that is applied to help deflect some of the ultraviolet rays of the sun. So you can see we have this solar glare up here, and this is to help deflect some of those rays so that you don't have any furniture that or fabric that is being damaged by sunburns. If you ever lived in a home and I don't know, if you moved the couch after a little while and you can see that the floor underneath or the cushions on the couch have some sun bleaching. Well, you don't have that when you have low E3 glass, or you have a lot less of it. If you do have it, it's not even noticeable because it works pretty darn well. Another benefit of it is deflects the ultraviolet rays of the sun to push the heat source back to itself. So for example, in the summertime, when the heat's trying to come in and you have the AC working, the heat is trying to come in and to cool your home down or to heat your home up. Well, this is pushing the heat source back to itself so your AC can work more efficient for you to keep your space cool. Just the opposite in the wintertime. So in the wintertime, you have the heat on in your home and the heat's trying to escape through the windows. Well, the low E3 glass will push the heat source back into the home so that your furnace is more energy efficient so that your home stays warm and comfortable. Great benefit. And these windows are easy clean. So let me demonstrate. Just unlock the 2 levers here and open the rabbit ears. Slide the window up first because you want to clear the lip here. And then hold these in and tilt back. So this makes for easy cleaning. Even on the 2nd floor, you can get up here and you can clean that window and you can clean this window and put it all back together and keep your house looking brand new. And oh yes, I forgot to mention, just by having the low E3 glass, it saves you some money because your heating and cooling system is operating more efficiently, saving you dollars and saving you coins, saving you some cost per month to keep your home comfortable. So great benefit and a cost savings to you. Makes it more energy efficient to operate your house. Now this marvelous gem is also completed with stainless steel appliances, with the built-in microwave. The refrigerator is an additional option, but it's all part of the Whirlpool family. That is an additional option if you're interested. Also, the homes are completed with double bowl sinks and garbage disposal. Let's see, you can see it down underneath here. There you go. And then we have the stainless steel dishwasher, also a Whirlpool product. Then you get a good array of cabinets throughout the kitchen. Plenty of space for your pots and pans and groceries. Nice size throughout, even cabinets up over the microwave with beautiful crown trim. You can see this. And if that's not enough space, then the home's also completed with a walk-in pantry. Let's get some lights on in here. How about that? So the first floor, the main floor of your home, will be completed with revolutionary wood throughout. It's a really nice product, guys. It has wood in it, it has vinyl in it. Some people call it vinyl flooring, some people call it a wood flooring because those two components make up these planks. They are planks and they're not glued down, which is really nice. So if by chance you should ever damage a plank or two or three, easy to unsnap and replace and put another one in, kind of like building a puzzle. They're pretty scratch durable. I mean, you can damage this if you really try, but unlike wood, just about anything you drop on wood will scratch it. Solid wood, that is. But the revolutionary wood, it could take a little bit of abuse. You know, when the kids are playing with their Hot Wheel cars, do they still make those? Or you drop your keys, or how about ice out your freezer and that ice cube runs away from you, you don't see it? Well, on regular wood, it doesn't take long for the water to soak into the wood and create some sort of swelling. With the revolutionary wood, they say it's rated for 24 hours for against water damage like that. So if you don't find that cube right away, it's okay. I have revolutionary wood in my home. I wouldn't have it any other way. I absolutely love it. And I am the guy that drops ice cubes all over the floor all the time and haven't damaged anything. So you get a nice spacious kitchen, nice spacious gourmet kitchen that has this breakfast bar that can seat 3 people right here at the breakfast bar, and there's a double sink that's right here in the middle of the breakfast bar, and the surface is granite. Granite is a rock, so it comes out of the earth, so nobody's countertop is actually the same because Mother Nature redesigns every stone that she creates, but nice solid surface countertop. And then right behind this area, we have the breakfast area. So here we have a design set up with a round table and 4 chairs. So you can seat 4 people here, you can seat another 3 here. Comfortably, 7 people can eat in this kitchen breakfast area with no challenges. And if you need more space or more seating here, you can furnish your home instead with a round table with a rectangular table and put 4 chairs on this side and 1 head and 1 tail, so you could turn 4 chairs into 6 chairs and still have these 3 additional seats. So you can go from seating 7 to seating 2 more, 9 people right in this area very comfortably. So after a hard day's work, you want to come home and unwind. And nothing better than having a nice, generous sized family room or great room. This one is set up with 2 sofas and 2 chairs. And each sofa could fit 3 people. Well, this one maybe 2.5. if you're in my family. So we have some really big people. But, you know, you're looking at seating here, 3 here, 2 here, that's 5, another 2, that's 7. And if you get a little bit longer sofa, you could make it 8. Or you can get one of those other sofas. What do they call those things? Those wraparound, those J sofas. You know the name that I'm thinking of. You know, you can get the recliner if you want, and you're watching your TV. You can go into movie theater mode. But this is a very comfortable size family room. And you'll enjoy the space. You really will. So let's go upstairs and take a look at the 4 bedrooms, the 2 full bathrooms, and the laundry room. So you can see right now we're in the primary suite. We're in the master closet. It's very spacious, as you can tell. And we use the wire racks that go all the way around the perimeter, which is pretty cool. And there's even some more over here. Let me show you, which is really nice. And one of the things you can do with ease of access with this much space, if there's ever a time that you want to increase the size of your primary closet, you can have additional wire racks installed because you have definitely plenty of wall space. Actually, it might be a good idea to take this out and raise it up and put another rack down here so you can double the capacity inside your closet, only if you need it. For most people, they won't even need that. But there are some folks that are fashionistas, and this might be something that would be definitely helpful to you. So just an idea. So here I am, I'm in the primary bathroom, in the primary master suite, and I'm in the shower and there's plenty of room. I'm 6 foot 3.5 inches tall in a pretty large frame, and I have room enough to handle my business and get clean, and has 6 shelves in here, which is pretty good for soaps and other personal items that you need in the shower with you. So, and it comes with the glass door. That's a standard feature, and nice chrome fixtures. So yeah, this is wonderful. So if taking a bath is your thing, as you can see, the home is completed with a garden tub. So you have the choice: bathe, shower, or do both if you choose. Now let's go back to the main floor to talk about the price and how much you will need to buy this property in Gwinnett County, Georgia. Okay, my beautiful family on YouTube, we finished another tour in Dacula, Georgia. Today, asking price on this property, remember, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, is $420,000. And remember, it is very close to the major roads with easy access to Atlanta and Athens, Georgia. Having a new construction property that is really close to restaurants, grocery stores, major shopping hubs like the Mall of Georgia, for less than $450,000, for me, that's a really good deal. So you'll have to run the numbers for yourself to make sure you can qualify, or you can reach out to one of us so we can run the numbers for you. All of our contact information can be found in the description below. Now on top of this, the builder is providing $10,000 for closing costs. And this is for quick close homes. The builder is buying interest rates down to as low as 3.99% for the first 2 years, then 4.99% for year 3 through 30. And that's for government loans. If you qualify for FHA loan, then you'll need 3.5% down, which is $14,700 down payment. If it's a conventional loan, you'll need a 5% down payment or $21,000 to purchase the property as a primary residence. For my VA loans, you have the opportunity to purchase this property with 0% down payment, no PMI at all, and on top of that, you will have up to $10,000 for closing costs. Plus, the builder will give you another $2,000 for being a hometown hero that you can use for extra discounts. You can also get an interest rate as low as 3.99% based on credit approval. Feel free to reach out to me or my team to help you break down your payment in detail. Lastly, about this community, it will have a community swimming pool and tennis courts. And by the way, the Main Street Star program or Hometown Hero is also available for nurses, firefighters, school teachers, police officers, and healthcare professionals. So we have all types of incentives to help you save money on your new home purchase. Hey there, fantastic viewers. Big shout out to each and every one of you for sticking around to the very end of this incredible property showcase. If you enjoyed this tour and are hungry for more, exploring stunning homes across the bustling Metro Atlanta area, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's your golden ticket to a front row seat for all of our upcoming content. And hey, a thumbs up would be awesome too. It lets us know you're loving what we're doing. Now, if you're contemplating checking out this particular home or have any burning questions, don't hesitate to reach out. All of our contact information can be found in the description below. We're here to make your property exploration journey seamless. And if, by chance, this home isn't quite your cup of tea and you find yourself without a trusted agent in the Metro Atlanta region, we've got your back. Let's schedule a consultation and kickstart your quest for the perfect home. A huge thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting property adventures. Until next time, happy exploring.